What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Theta, one of the cooler projects in the crypto space, in my opinion. Currently, Theta is up 10%, almost 11% on the day. We're sitting at almost $7 here. We're sitting at a market cap of 6.84 billion. 24-hour volume is 427 million. Guys, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. You can grab one of their incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, free Netflix, and you can also use their deposit crypto earn rewards. Incredible interest on staking your coins on crypto.com, my favorite app for investing. So here's Theta, guys, on the daily, on the 1 hour chart. Now, guys, I have been posting these breakouts in the Discord, and in many cases, I can post it to the Discord much quicker than I can make a video. And sometimes that makes all the difference. You can sign up through the Patreon, price of a coffee, over 1,000 members talking all things crypto. All right, guys, so we've broken out of a rounding bottom, and we also have a bull flag that we've currently broken out of, and we back tested as support. So your targets are pretty close to together. One's at 754, and the other one's, let's make this a little bit higher, at about 766. Also lines up with the 0.5 on the Fibonacci. So those are your breakout targets. As you can see, we've had a nice little increase in volume here. You can see the volume right down here, and we've had the bullish cross on the 1 hour chart. So we're gonna look at Theta here on the 4 hour time frame. So here we are on the 4 hour. We've just gotten back above the 55 EMA, which is a beautiful sign of strength. If we can hold the EMAs here, what's going to happen is we consolidate, we hold the EMAs, and then the EMAs bring us up. We have the bullish cross of the 20 over the 55, and it brings us up to these future price targets. We have the 0.5 here, and then you have the golden ratio, which is up at about $9.12, very, very close to the previous high for Theta. And then basically you have the 0.786, which is up at 11.82 here for Theta. I'm going to quickly pop Theta open on the daily. So here we are on the daily, guys. So I drew in this level of support quite a long time ago that Theta had been beautifully bouncing off of on our bull run here. As you can see, we were beautifully holding this trend line of support, and then we went through our major correction and our previous little crash here. So I would like to see us get back above this trend line. If we can get back above the golden ratio at $9.12, that will get us back above this trend line. If we can continue to use it as support here, beautiful sign of strength here for Theta. All right, guys. So your future price targets, if we come up and break our previous high, is up at the 1.272 at 24.86 and up at the 1.618 at $44. I am currently trading Theta on Bybit. Make sure to sign up to Bybit, guys, my favorite platform for leverage. They also have spot trading. You can receive up to $600 in bonuses. Also, Phoenix, guys, up over $2,000 right now in bonuses if you sign up with Phoenix. They also have an incredible trading platform with more pairs than Bybit, actually. And you can sign up through my referrals in the top of the comments. So those are your future price targets. If we look at Bitcoin, you can see here on the hourly, we've broken out of that major level of resistance at 46.7K right here, and we're holding the EMAs as support. We can see we had a bullish divergence not only on the hourly but on the 4 hour as well. So the fact that we've broken out of that major level of resistance that we couldn't seem to break here, and we're back above the EMAs, we start to see the bullish cross. Beautiful sign of strength for Bitcoin that we're going to head up to 48.3 and 50.4K. So we'll finish the video with Theta here. So your target's $7.54, 766. If we were to roll over here, I will drop in this level of support, the neckline, at about $6.71 here, and then you have this major level of support down at about 626. But of course, right now we are looking healthy for continuation, in my opinion. As long as we hold the EMAs here, that's when we can head up to these price targets, and our future price targets up at $9.12, $11.82. You have your previous swing high at about $16, $24 for Theta, and $44 at the 1.618. And from the current price, that's a juicy appreciation of 491, basically 500% for Theta. All right, guys, very strong project. Highly recommend looking into it if you haven't already. Make sure to smash that like button. Check out the Discord. Stay ahead of the game. Sign up to Bybit, Phoenix, Crypto.com. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.